So you go users and groups, users, find users to enroll. It seems like you would search here, but you don't. You have to click browse. And then I would choose email and search for first name dot last name. Now it is slow and it's glitchy, so sometimes it won't show up. Sometimes it'll show up. If you were if you had been entered into the class, I think it gets even glitchier, so that like if he searched for you and accidentally put you in as a student or something and then took you out, it would not show up again. As in it wouldn't find you in the search again. So it's kind of glitchy. If you follow those steps, it should get you there. But if it doesn't, again, you have to go to the browse thing. That's usually how it works. But if it doesn't work, then email Steve Castellano and just tell him the name and role in the course and the course number, and he'll do the adding.